Hi guys, and welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how I made this. Now this was really easy to make, and my mother-in-law bought a weeping willow tree last summer, and then the winter came and it never came back, so it's completely dead, and I didn't want to throw it away or anything like that, so I thought I'd make something out of it. So this is what I've come up with. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you're going to have a go yourself because it's really easy. You could always spray paint it if you didn't have the paint. If you're going to have a go yourself, leave a little comment below. If you've liked it, give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press the notification bell because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.